In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Webull account to TradingView. To get started, open TradingView and make sure you're on a chart screen where the trading tools are available. Once you're there, look toward the lower section of the platform and scroll down if needed until you can fully expand the trading panel. This panel is where TradingView lets you connect supported broker accounts so you can trade directly from the chart interface instead of switching back and forth between platforms. After the trading panel is expanded, browse through the broker grid until you find Webull. The brokers are usually displayed as selectable tiles or icons, so take a moment to locate the correct one. When you see Webull, click Connect. This begins the link between your TradingView workspace and your brokerage account. Next, you'll be taken to the sign-in process for Webull. Enter your Webull login credentials carefully, along with your secondary security PIN if prompted. Since this step gives TradingView access to your live brokerage environment, it's important to make sure you're signing in through the official secure window and entering the correct information. If your login details are saved in a password manager, this can help speed things up and reduce mistakes. Once your sign-in is accepted, you'll see a connection authorization request. This is the approval step that allows TradingView and Webull to communicate with each other. Review the request, then approve the connection to continue. This authorization is what enables TradingView to display live account data and send trading actions through your broker connection. After approval is complete, your Webull account should sync automatically inside TradingView. You'll now be able to see key account information such as your balances, open positions, and purchasing power updating live within the platform. This is especially useful if you want to monitor your account and manage trades without leaving your chart layout. If the account details don't appear immediately, give it a few moments to refresh, since live broker syncing can sometimes take a short moment to load. Once everything is visible, you're ready to trade through TradingView using your connected Webull account. That's it. Your Webull account is now linked and you can manage your trading activity directly inside TradingView with live synced account data.